in a world we live in today where financial stability seems to be increasingly elusive, I want us to dive into why starting a side business could be your smartest move so that you are able to take care of your career and your financial future. I am Professor Gerald, your number one passionpreneur coach, and I'm here to guide you through this process of transformation where you're able to balance your 9 to 5 also with your entrepreneurial career. I know you're going to be excited listening to me because this is exactly the path I have taken. So, why did I think this video is important? So, my desire as having taken this path is to make sure that you do not stumble like many have. I remember my early days when I was trying to figure my way out. I made many mistakes. And so based on that, I want to have you have a smooth path as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey to secure your future. And I'm super confident that as you listen to me through my guidance, you will be able to seamlessly integrate your current job with a lucrative side business. And one thing I'm very sure about is that you will be able to master the art of income diversification and be able to unlock your path to financial freedom. So I know you're going to be really, really excited knowing this. And so I invite you to join me as we explore 6 important reasons why it's very important for you in this hour to own your own business on the side of your current job. Now, the first reason is this will help you to diversify your income streams. You see, in today's unpredictable economy, relying solely on one job for income is very risky. You do not really have to do something bad for you to lose a job. Therefore, having a side business allows you to diversify your income stream so that you can secure your future. So this reduces your financial vulnerability, provides you stability of mind, especially during economic downtowns, okay? And also during uncertain times. So this is the first reason. The second reason why you need to think seriously about having your own business is it helps you to build wealth and financial independence. You see, a side business is not just about earning income, but it's about building long term wealth, achieving financial independence that every one of us is looking for. So, when you invest your time and effort in a business that generates either passive income or income that grows over time, you create an opportunity for financial freedom and therefore financial security. That way, you'll be protected. So, the third reason is it gives you entrepreneurial skills and experience. As you run a side business, you develop important skills such as problem solving, decision making, resource mobilization, and resource management. All those are transferable skills that you can also take in your current job. And your capacities in your current job will improve because then you're able to do more because the entrepreneurship is going to force you really to become a better person. You're going to become more adaptable and more resilient. So the fourth reason that you need to do is to explore your passion and creativity. A side business will allow you to explore passions and interests and creative ideas outside your 9 to 5, which most cases are very strict. So it's an opportunity to pursue programs and projects that align very, very closely with your values. Beyond monetary rewards, you're able to do other things that make you happy. So your sense of satisfaction is going to grow when you have your own business. And then number 5 is the opportunity to network with important people. You see, your business opens ways for new networks, new connections, and opportunities that you sometimes are not available in your current job. So these would be industry entrepreneurs, these would be industry experts, and even potential clients and partners that you can collaborate with later on as your career advances. And finally, the sixth important reason you should consider a business on your own is future proofing your career. As you know, the job market is really, really rapidly exploding in different dimensions. We have AI, we have different things, and there are a lot of disruptive technologies that are coming. So, having a side business equips you with the entrepreneurial agility and the growth mindset that you need that is going to help you to be competitive wherever you are. And this is something that I find very important. This is the same message I pass to my clients. And so if you're ready to bridge this gap between your current 9 to 5 and the financial future you desire, I invite you to embark on this entrepreneurial journey with me because I've been there, I've struggled, but I figured my way out. So reach out to me at geraldamandu.com so you can start shaping your future today. I also invite you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share it with others so that they can also learn this. Thank you for listening to me. I encourage you to start exploring the possibility of entrepreneurship alongside your career because if you leave until it's too late, usually what happens is that people start when they're almost going to be retired, forcefully or otherwise. So I want you to be prepared. I look forward to seeing you in the next video as you start your entrepreneurial journey.